After returning to the mainland, they saw a big tender engine. He doesn't have a name, but Peter called him the Big City Engine. What do you want? Said the Big City Engine. Oh, nothing much, said Alfred. I just telling you that you incorrect the station's name. And have you exercised yet? Said Judy. The Big City Engine said nothing, as he puffed away crossly with his good strength, leaving Alfred and Judy behind. One morning, the Big City Engine was waiting at the station. He was waiting for his train to be ready, but it didn't, and he started to lose patience. Where's my train? He demanded angrily. Not now, old boy, said his driver. It took some time. These coaches were very heavy. Soon later, Alfred and Judy bring the coaches to the station. About time, said the Big City Engine. Then the train was coupled. But it wasn't coupled yet. Sister, how about we try this train together? Are you out of your mind? Said Judy. This train is too heavy for us. And the passengers didn't get on board yet. But before Judy could say anything, Alfred diverged into another track and rushed by with Big City Engine's coaches. Alfred wanted to put Big City Engine's coaches into another track at first, but the heavy coaches pushed them on. The Big City Engine was surprised. Give me back my coaches, he demanded. And soon he left the station. The Big City Engine tried to catch on, but they were too fast. We want to stop! We want to stop! Cried the coaches. I can't, they replied. Good Lord, said another engine. The Big City Engine was catching up, and he whistled loudly. Then it happened. Luckily, their driver had jumped clear. The severe damage has been done. They looked miserable. I'm sorry I didn't listen to you, said Alfred. It's okay, said Judy. We will get things right together. When the Big City Engine arrived, he was most surprised. Soon later, the breakdown gang arrived. The crane lifted Judy first, then Alfred. And then the crane came to a rest. Their controller spoke severely to them. Alfred, you have caused serious confusion on the line. Well, luckily the passenger wasn't on board yet, but you didn't have rights to do that. And I hope that doesn't happen again. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, said the engines. Soon, the twins apologized to the Big City Engine. We're sorry that we played tricks on you, said Alfred. Oh, that was nothing, said the Big City Engine. I just hope all my friends were okay. And that's the end of the story.